technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. In the morning it opened gap down. However, it pulled back smartly within the first couple of hours. Thereafter it traded sideways. Then once again selling pressure emerged around 1 in the afternoon, which again took support around the hourly lower Bollinger Band and again pulled back from there. And the Nifty ultimately ended the day with a 2-point negative close in today's trading session. So this tells us there was large intraday volatility during the day. The market price was negative though, with 532 advances to 1015 declines. Reason being, the small cap index was down by more than 0.5%. On the flip side, mid cap index was up by 0.2%. Bank Nifty was also down by 0.2% in today's trading session. ONGC, L&T, Infosys, M&M, Jindal Steel were some of the losers in trade today, while ITC, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Hindalco, HUL closed with gains in today's trading session. Now looking at the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty is trading in a sideways manner since past 6 to 5 odd trading sessions around this crucial resistance area in the range of 7850 on the downside and 8000 on the upside. Past 5 to 6 trading sessions, this range has not been broken out on either side. We feel that this range should ultimately be broken on the upside, though 7855 is a crucial support. If that is breached on the downside, then we can expect the Nifty to drift down till 7800, which is the 38% retracement of this rise which we have seen. On the upside, if we cross above the high of 7968 on the upside, then we can expect the positive momentum to spill over to other indices and other stocks as well, and the positive momentum should continue on the upside. The daily momentum indicator is having a positive crossover, which indicates that every day should be a buying opportunity. So until and unless 7855 is not breached on the downside, we maintain a positive bias on Nifty. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that on the hourly charts, the Nifty has once again taken support around the previous swing low, in that with a long lower shadow, which indicates there is support on the downside. So breach of this support would lead to long unwinding and can lead the Nifty down till 7800 on the downside. But until and unless these supports hold, we maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8050 on the upside. This crucial supports will be our reversal level, that is 7855. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was comparatively weaker as compared to the benchmark indices Nifty today. It closed in the negative today. Nifty also closed, but it was just by 2 points. This Bank Nifty closed by more than 0.2% on the downside. We maintain our positive bias on Bank Nifty as well until the previous swing low of 15,440 is not breached on the downside. Even today, in today's trading session, we saw some banks pick up or had a positive momentum in the last 1 hour of trading session, where State Bank of India, Canara Bank, some of the banks pulled back sharply from their day's low, and Canara Bank in fact closed with gains today. So we are quite positive on Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports are placed at 15,500 and 15,440. On the upside, 15,755 and 15,973 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. 7855 is a crucial support for the long positions, and traders should maintain long positions until 7855 is not breached on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.